Hello good people, welcome to Crane Food Service Solutions. I'm Chef Robbie Hooker. Today we're going to be cooking boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's going to give you great flavor. It's very easy, simple process, and the students are going to love it. Before powering up the Alto Cooking Oil Smoker, we're going to open the door, we're going to move the bottom rack up to the top rack for easy access to the wood chip box heating element. Then we're going to open the top vents halfway and close those bottom vents. Next, press the power button, turn the smoker on. Next, we're going to press the recipe icon and navigate through the menu items until you find the smoked chicken thigh recipe picture. Then we're going to select the recipe and press the green play button. The smoker will now start to preheat. While the Alto Cooking Oil Smoker is preheating, we're going to season the chicken thighs with our K12 spice mix, consisting of brown sugar, chili powder, ground cinnamon, ground cumin, granulated garlic, ground ginger, ground paprika, black pepper, and salt. We're going to mix well to coat the chicken. Then we're going to place the seasoned chicken on a sheet pan with a rack and insert the probe into the thickest part of the largest chicken thigh. We're going to place the wood chips of your choosing that have been soaked in water for at least 24 hours into the wood chip box. Once the smoker is preheated, we're going to place the wood chip box onto the heating element. Next, we're going to move that bottom rack back down, place your pan of chicken onto the rack, connect your probe to the smoker. We're going to close the door, press the red hand icon in the top right corner. Now, you just have to wait. The chicken will cook until the probe reads an internal temperature of 165 degrees. At this point, the chicken is ready to be removed and prepared for service. Thanks for joining us. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your Crane rep. Take care.